Upon our return from Tokyo, we moved Pino to yet another spot in Shimizu, to a marina in Orido. This place is on the Miho Peninsula, near a scenic 7-kilometer seashore lined with pine trees. It was like being in Canada at times. We enjoyed biking through there. This place isn't short on views of Mount Fuji. We're not tired of seeing it. Not yet. The weather by then was getting warmer. We could bike without our winter jackets on, cycling under rows of blossoming sakura trees. Being in a marina, we worked on a few boat projects to get Pino back into shape. We ordered some new, stronger slides for our main. During that time, we also said goodbye to Iggy the dinghy. You've kept us afloat for many years, Iggy, but in the last few months, not so much. Thanks anyway, buddy. We'll miss you. When we get stuff off the boat, means we can get some stuff in. That's the rule. So we splurged on the little gift to ourselves. We bought the Akira collection. Now we can practice our Japanese with the new phrases we've learned, like "my head hurts" and "dai kaneda dai." We also purchased parts to make a fizzy water system on the boat. We got a 5-kilogram tank of CO2, as well as a regulator, some tubing, and another piece that screws onto a bottle. It's really easy to put together, and with a tank that big, it'll last a long time. With the weather getting warmer, the winds too lessened, and we decided on a departure date from Shimizu. For our last outing, we went to a local izakaya for a show-and-tell event by our friends Masa and Yukari. Masa gave a demonstration, showing everyone how to tie 5 basic knots. He distributed practice ropes and everyone followed his instructions closely. He and Yukari also gave a small ukulele tutorial, playing songs by Candies and from Totoro. This was a good way to end our time here in Shimizu. We left the marina on a calm morning, dodging a large container ship in the entrance. The first of many we would encounter during our 126 nautical mile long transit to Mie. The Japanese coastline is very busy. We played dodge the boat all night and made it safely to our destination, Shima Yacht Harbor and Minami-Ise. This place is different from anywhere we've been in Japan. The place is green, with hawks flying overhead, rows of aosa seaweed in the water. Minami-Ise is a beautiful place, but like many areas in Japan, it suffers from a declining and aging population problem. Many of the houses here are abandoned, the roads leading to them covered in dead leaves and branches. These properties, we were told, can usually be purchased for cheap. The problem is their location. It's unattractive to most, because Minami-Ise is a really, really small town with little in it. It doesn't even have a train station. But we like the place for that reason. For the fact that it's quiet, because of the abundance of nature, and for its clear waters. The grocery store is just a short but hilly bike ride away. Internet, food, and trees is all we need. Being in a quiet port permits us to focus on projects, which is just as well because Orca blew up this month. Devin has been hard at work managing the growing community, fixing bugs and practicing for his Algomech performance in the UK next month. That's just one of many Orca events or workshops coming up. What's our plan for the next month? We're going to Osaka, and as I said already, we'll be making an exit out of Japan to Sheffield in the UK. More on that in the next video. And as always, thank you for keeping us afloat. Literally. Oh wait, you can't get in there. Yeah, that seems more like it. Oh, that's nice. We're in the bike parking lot. Show us how to pay for the bike parking lot. Did you pay?
No.
Do you know how to pay? I don't think it said anything. I think you need to pay somewhere else. Here.
サービス券をお持ちの方はサービス券を挿入してください。
You're gonna get another
利用
ticket?
券をお取りください。
Okay.